As of yesterday, this is the way the commission is going to be organized. Justice Andres Reyes will be the chairperson of the ICI. He was a presiding judge of the Court of Appeals before. He has been a jurist for a very, very long time with a very good record of honesty and fairness, and a good record of being able to find justice for those who have been victimized. Yun na ngayon ang ating sitwasyon. We are I'm very encouraged because nung nakausap ko sila, all of them are in agreement that we have to move very quickly. And we have to get something done as quickly as possible. Hindi pwedeng mapanis lahat nitong information na binigay ng taong bayan doon sa isumbong mo sa Pangulo. Kaya sabi namin, bilisan na lang talaga ninyo. And that's why they have to meet as often as possible. That is for them to decide. They have already decided to meet today to make the organizational decisions that need to be made, i.e., how the Secretariat is going to be organized, what sort of people they need to bring that, where their offices will be, kahit yung mga forms na gagawin para doon sa commission, they have to set that. And when asked how often you plan on meeting, ang sagot sa akin, araw-araw. They will meet every day. And either privately or they will hold I don't know if they plan to hold hearings in public. It's all up to them. What I want to stress here is that the independent nature of this commission. Hindi kami makikialam sa trabaho nila. We will, of course, be in discussion with them. We will ask them, ano nangyari, what have you found, what are we doing next, etc. But we're not about to direct them as to how they are going to conduct their investigations. And we are going to leave it up to them. As a matter of fact, in our discussions with them, they also said, may we make suggestions, may we make proposals so as to the procedure for bidding, for all these contracts, para hindi na maulit ito. And we, of course, I said, we're perfectly open to that. What we really want is to fix the system. I was very encouraged because in my meetings with Justice Andy yesterday, sabi niya, we have to make it nothing less than a turning point in the conduct of governance in the Philippines. We have to make a change. It is a fundamental change in the way that we do business.
Good morning, Mr. President. Sir, in terms of priorities and focus, how different would the investigation of your independent panel be compared to what we've seen in the House and in the Senate?
It will be completely independent. That's something that cannot be said if, for example, the Senate conducts, maraming nababanggit na senador. If the House conducts the investigation, marami ring nababanggit na congressman. Kaya sinasabi ng mga tao, bakit naman nag-iimbestiga sila but they're investigating themselves, which is always a little bit of a difficult situation. It's hard to be fair. But they are, of course, as I said before, it's their prerogative to conduct such investigations. However, so as to make it very, very clear to people that this is independent. I would like to stress this over and over again. It is an independent commission, and that is why we have taken great pains to make sure that that independence is respected, is recognized, and is observed. And that's what we plan to do. And that's the difference, is that we can say, at least this commission can say, they have no ties to any part of government. If you look, they are all out of government. They are all personalities who are out of government, except for Mayor Benji Magalong And the reason he became a special advisor is because he would have had to give up his mayorship to take on this position. So he chose to keep his mayorship. I don't blame him. But nonetheless, we can use his talents. But that is the specific. That is for us the differences that we can point to show that it is in fact independent.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you tell us more, sir, about the selection process of the ICI? Were there others po ba that who were considered to join the commission?
It wasn't. We opened the process to people. We said that we need independent people to man or to occupy the positions in the commission, and so that's what we tried to do. And we contacted many people and see if they if they were willing. But essentially what we needed was somebody like Justice Andres Reyes, because he is a former justice, and he will know how to conduct those hearings, procedures, so that they are legally correct, procedurally correct. And then Babe Singson, I think, is an obvious choice also, because he's a former DPWH secretary. And we also, of course, a lot of the work will be an accounting job, forensic accounting. So, of course, the expert, Rosana Fajardo from the SGV, will be able to provide that expertise. So I think we've covered all of the important areas that need to be handled. Beyond that, I cannot tell you how the commission will organize itself. I cannot tell you what the secretariat will look like. And the reason I cannot tell you is that these are not my decisions to make anymore. Those decisions will be made by the commission.